guys, welcome to my channel No Physics with me. Hope all are doing good. Yes, so we are into the topic of time, speed and distance, and we are already done with 4 sessions where we cover different types of questions related to this topic using shortcuts too. So in this session we will cover questions based on distance. Okay, so already we have discussed a few questions in the previous session related to distance, and we also found a shortcut when certain conditions are satisfied. Similarly, we will solve few more problems in this session. Along with, we will see some shortcut, okay, for certain types of questions. That is, when certain conditions are satisfied, we will use that shortcut and easily find the answer within seconds. Okay. Let's start with the first question. Peter can cover a certain distance in 1 hour 24 minutes by covering 2/3 of the distance at 4 km per hour and the rest at 5 km per hour. Find the total distance. So read the question carefully. Once you are clear with the question, you can proceed by yourself and then cross check with my answer. So the question is like this. A person is covering certain distance in total time is 1 hour 24 minutes and he is going with two speeds. One speed is 4 km per hour and the other is 5 km per hour. Given there is a condition that he is covering first 2/3 of the distance in 4 km per hour and the rest in 5 km per hour, we have to find the total distance. So write down the given data. Time is equal to 1 hour 24 minutes. Okay. So first we have to convert this everything into hour. We have to convert it into single unit. Okay. So how will you convert minutes to hour? 1 hour 24 divided by 60. Clear? So when you cancel 12 2s are 24, 12 5s are 60. The detailed explanation of converting minutes to hour and hours to minute I have given in first session. So those who have missed, watch that and come. Okay. So 1 hour to 2 by 5 hours. Okay. So this is a mixed fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 by 5 hours. Okay. So converted to improper fraction. Now the speed given is 4 km per hour and second speed is 5 km per hour. Correct? And the condition is, let us consider the total distance to be x because that is what we will have to find out. Okay. And they have given the condition as it covers 2/3 of the total distance in 4 km per hour and second distance is the remaining of this. Okay. So always remember, how will you find the remaining? The total portion is 3, out of which 2 is completed in first half. So the remaining is 1/3. Correct? So 1/3 distance he will go with the speed of 5 km per hour. So now how we will proceed? See, you have total time. So we will take time. Okay, time is equal to distance by speed. Correct? So here you have two distance. So d1 distance by speed plus distance by speed. Clear? When you do that, you will get the answer. So first distance is 2/3 of x. He will cover it in 4 km per hour. Plus second distance 1/3 of the distance he will cover it in 5 km per hour, which is equal to time is 7/5. Clear? Now how will we proceed? So taking LCM, before which you can just combine and write as 3 into 4 x plus 1/3 into 5 x is equal to 7/5. So you can simplify here. 1 times 2 times. Okay, so here nothing else. So x by 6 plus x by 15 is equal to 7/5. Correct? Now you can take LCM. So LCM is 30. 6 5s are 30. 15 2s are 30 into 2 into 5. So 5x plus 2x divided by 30 is equal to 7/5. So 7x by 30 is equal to 7/5. You can cancel. Okay, so 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 5 6 are 30. So when you take this 6 here, you get it as x is equal to 6 kilometer. Clear? So always remember, you will have to convert units into a single one. Otherwise you will go wrong with the answer. Okay. See the next question. This question we have solved using one method. So those who have watched on my previous video can easily solve it using average speed concept. Okay. A man travelled from the village to post office at the rate of 25 km per hour and walked back at at the rate of 4 km per hour. If the whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes, find the distance of the post office from the village. So what they are saying, he is covering the same distance, okay, from here to here. If he is going, he is coming back to the same position, and the date is given, you write it down. Time is equal to 5 hours 48 minutes. So 48 by 60 hours, okay. So 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4 is 29 by 5 hours, okay. And two speeds they have given it as, speed 1 is 25 km per hour, and speed 2 is 4 km per hour. So already we have solved this using average speed concept. So how will you proceed using average speed? 2xy by x plus y, okay. So here 2x is first speed 25 and y is 4 divided by 25 plus 4. So 2 into 25 is 50 into 4 divided by 29, okay. So we get it as 200 by 29. This is nothing but average speed, okay. We know distance is equal to speed into time. So here speed is 200 by 29 into time is 29 by 5, okay. So 29 gets cancelled, 5 4s are 20. So distance is equal to 40 km. Here the distance is nothing but he has gone from here to here and he is back to here. But our question is, we will have to find only one way. So which is equal to divided by 2, which is 20 kilometers. So this is average speed concept. So that we use average speed concept to find the speed, okay. So we will end up till here, and here since it is distance, we will go with speed into time and then find the answer, okay. Always remember, you will have to divide it by 2 because we will have to find only from one place to another and not returning back, okay. So this is the method used to find total distance when a person is moving from one place to another and coming back to the same place. So we have solved the question using average speed concept. Now we will solve the same question using one more easier trick, okay. So I will tell you the trick, but there are certain conditions to be satisfied in order to use that trick, okay. So the condition is like this: when you have two speeds and total time given, when you have two speeds, okay. So when you have two speeds and total time. So in previous session we saw time difference. When there are two speeds and there is a time difference, we used a formula, right? S1 into S2 divided by S1 minus S2 into time difference, right? So there is a small change in this formula. That formula we will use in this question and solve the question, okay. So S1 into S2 same divided by, since it is total time, we will have total time and total speed, okay. So use this shortcut often in questions so you will not forget it, okay. Now we will use this shortcut in this question and solve. So we have found this as 5 into 48 by 60. So 12 5s are 29 by 5, correct? 29 by 5 hard. So S1 here is 25 into 4 divided by 25 plus 4 into total time. Total time is 29 by 5. Here, so 25 into 4 divided by 29 into 29 divided by 5. So 29 gets cancelled, 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 kilometers. See, one step solution, correct? So you must thoroughly understand the question. Only when those conditions satisfied, you can use this, okay. In previous question you might have asked, why can't I use this concept there? There you cannot use because they have given a condition about distance. That is, he is covering 2/3 of the distance using the speed and remaining in that speed. That's why we cannot use this there, okay. So now I have a question for you. Those who have watched my previous video can solve it very easily. So if a man walks at the rate of 5 km per hour, he misses a train by 7 minutes. However, if he walks at the rate of 6 km per hour, he reaches the station 5 minutes before the arrival of the train. Find the distance covered by him to reach the station. So what are all the speed given? Speed 1 is 5 km per hour. and speed 2 is 6 km per hour. And there is a time difference, but here they have given 2 times, so don't worry. I have already told you before in previous session, late and early concept, okay. So he misses the train because he is 7 minutes late. So original time is here, he is late by 7 minutes. And other is, if he walks 6 km per hour, he reaches station 5 minutes before. That is, he will reach early. Okay. So the time difference here is 12 minutes. Clear? Now you can proceed, right? Time difference is equal to 12 minutes. So how will you proceed using the shortcut? S1 into S2 divided by S1 minus S2 into time difference. So S1 here is 5 into 6 divided by 6 minus 5 is 1 into time difference is 12 minutes. So you'll have to convert it into hours. 12 5s are 60, 5 and 5 gets cancelled, which is equal to 6 km. Clear? See the next question. A train travels at an average of 50 miles per hour for 2 1/2 hours and then travels at a speed of 70 miles per hour for 1.5 hours. How far did the train travel in the entire 4 hours? So here you cannot use the concept because they have split the time as 2 1/2 and 1 1/2. So now you will go with the normal method. So here speed 1 is 50 miles per hour and speed 2 is 70 miles per hour and time 1 is 2.5 hours and time 2 is 1.5 hours. Okay, so everything is in same unit, so you need not convert anything. Now distance is equal to speed into time. So speed here is 50 into 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5/2 plus 70 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 3/2. So 35 times and 25 times. So 25 5s are 125 plus 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 10. 230 km. Very simple, right? Yes. See the next question. A can complete a journey in 10 hours. He travels first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and second half at the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometer. Okay, so what are all the data given? Time is equal to 10 hours and speed 1 is equal to 21 km per hour and speed 2 is equal to 24 km per hour. And they have given first half. So let the total distance be x. So first half, which is half of x is covered in 21 km per hour and the second half is covered in 24 km per hour. So you cannot use the shortcut to find this. So how will you solve this? As usual, time is equal to distance by speed. So first distance is 1/2 of x, which he covers in 21 km per hour, plus second distance is 1/2 of x, which he covers in 24 km per hour. So I can write here, okay, equal to 10. Now on rewriting, 1/2 into 21 of x plus 1/2 into 24 of x is equal to 10. So 1/42 or x by 42 plus x by 48 is equal to 10. On taking LCM, 21 times, 24 times, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So 8 7s are 56. 56 into 6. 6 6 are 6 5s are 30. 336 is the LCM. Okay. So I'll write here 336 is the LCM into 8 into 6 6 are 24, 8 4 are 7. 8 7s are 56. Sum 4 are 28, 29, 30, 30 and 32, 33. Yes. So 8x plus 7x is equal to 10. So 8x plus 7x is 15x divided by, or else 15x is equal to 3360. So 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So x is equal to 224 km. Clear? Yes. The last and the final problem. A person travels equal distances with speed of of 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour and 5 km per hour and takes a total time of 47 minutes. The total distance in kilometer is. So here also you cannot use the shortcut because they have given the condition as 3 equal distance. So write down what are all is given. So speed is 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour and speed 3 is 5 km per hour and the time is 47 minutes they have given. So on converting it into hour you will get it as 47 by 60 hour. Clear? So how will you proceed? Time is equal to distance by speed. Here they have given as distance is split into 3 equal halves. So either you can keep each as 1 by 3. Okay. So if your distance is x, x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3. So totally 3x by 3 which is equal to 1 only you will get. Instead you can keep it as 3x. Okay, distance is equal to 3x. So each speed he covers at a distance of x kilometer. Clear? So x plus x is 3x. You can easily split that. Okay, instead of having this denominator all, you can keep it as 3x. So 3x means x. You can split like that so that you may not have any denominator. So distances, each distance is x. X divided by 3 plus x divided by 4 plus x divided by 5. Or else you can keep it as x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3. That is also correct only. Whichever is convenient for you, you can use it. Okay. So I am keeping it as 3x. So I can split it as x plus x which is equal to time. Time is given as 47 by 60. So LCM is 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So 3 into 20 times. 12 times. Sorry, 15 times. 12s are 60. Correct? So 20x plus 15x plus 12x which is equal to 47 by 60. So 60 and 60 gets cancelled. 20 plus 15 is 35, 45, 45, 47. So 47x is equal to 47. So 47 gets cancelled. X is equal to 1. Okay. So now substitute this x value here. So distance is equal to 3 into 1. So I hope you are all clear with the concepts discussed today. Yes. So use the shortcut wherever possible. Wherever the conditions are satisfied, try to use it as much as possible because that will definitely help you out in your exams in order to save time. So only that can be done through practice. Only if you practice more questions with shortcuts, you will get used to those shortcuts and you can use it in exam. Otherwise, you will have to sit and think. Okay. So don't do that. Practice more questions. And here you will have a question displayed and I want you to solve it by yourself and then give your answers in your comment box. Okay. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting.